So for today, you're going to need a glass, some vinegar from the kitchen cupboard if mum or dad or whoever allows you to have it. You also need some cement that you might just find having broken off a wall or something that's on the ground. And you can use some shells, or you can use some chalk, you know, the sort that you use for drawing or writing on a chalkboard. Now, very often, when we look about the world around us, we know that there are some things that don't last very long. Some things that are very fragile. They're not meant to last forever. But there are other things that we do expect to last forever. So rocks, cement, mountains, things like that we expect to last forever. And yet, with this glass of vinegar, see what happens when I pop this piece of cement, something that we use to build a wall with or build a house with. We think it's going to last forever. See what happens as I pop it into the vinegar. In it goes. Now hopefully you can just make out the cement that's there. And can you see what's happening? Look at all the bubbles that are coming up. Look at the cement as it is fizzing away in the vinegar. And do you know why that is? What's happening is that the acid in the vinegar is actually eating away at that cement. And so every time you can see these pockets of air, these bubbles, this fizzing going on, it is eroding into the cement. It is eating away into the cement. And if we were to leave it in there long enough, and you might want to do this at home as a long experiment and to see what happens over a length of time. But what you'll see eventually is that the acid in the vinegar eats away into the cement until it's all dissolved and broken down and there's nothing left of it anymore. And so some things that maybe we think should last forever, like rocks, cement, mountains, it goes to show that even these can be broken down. See how it's still fizzing? I'm just going to move it over a fraction, put it a bit more central, and hopefully you can see that fizzing away as the bubbles keep on coming up. Cement, not as permanent as we thought.